That was a rough stop just because of all the weight I have in my back. What is up, everyone, and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going grocery shopping. My girlfriend gave me a list of groceries that we need for the house. Figured it's a good chance to put the Grom to test to see how good is it at grocery shopping. I'll put the list up on the screen for you guys right now, and we're about to head over to the store. So we're grocery shopping today with the Grom. The list isn't easy, guys. This isn't an easy list of stuff to take on the Grom. It's not small stuff. We're supposed to get milk and eggs and an 8-pack of bubbly. That's like some of the bigger stuff on there, so we'll see. All I have is my hot bag, and hopefully that's enough to get this done, because we do need those stuff and I don't want to have to come back on my car. So the grocery store is pretty close to where I was at, so we're almost there. So I'll pick it up when we are at the store. Pulling into the store, about to get the groceries. Just parking the bike now, getting ready to head in. All right, first things first, get the milk. All right, gotta make sure you get the latest one. Secured the milk. Now we need eggs. Eggs are secure. Got the bubblies. Okay, cereal is also on the list. She wants cornflakes. Getting the cornflakes? I don't know. It's looking a little challenging for the Grom. Bananas are secure. Okay, lettuce is also secure. Can't forget the bread. A big loaf of bread. Don't know how I'm gonna fit that, but grab some Cheetos. The last item on the list. Let's get out of here. We're gonna have to be real strategic with this. Obviously don't want the eggs to break. I'm actually gonna have to put it over here. And the milk. It looks like I'm running out of space. I might be able to make it work. This big loaf is gonna have to be sticking out. That's awesome. I have to shove the bread in a little more. Luckily, we were able to get everything on the list. I do feel a lot of the weight in my back because the thing is pretty packed. I'm hoping I don't lose the loaf of bread, but that is sticking out from the bag a lot. But let's get going. Grocery shopping in the Honda Grom. I'm gonna have to do everything I can to avoid these bumps on the road. Luckily, I don't live too far from here. Oh, we're at the red light. Comment down below, did you guys think I'd be able to get everything on the Grom? I'm not counting any victories yet, as I don't know if the eggs or the bread are gonna make it in one piece. I'm definitely feeling the weight on the bike. That was a rough stop just because of all the weight I have in my back. I wasn't sure if I should take the light, but I'm sure this looks funny if you're behind me. Big loaf of bread in my back. Is it uncomfortable to ride like this? It's a little. I'm kind of pushing it with this. I do feel a little uncomfortable on the bike, but I mean, if it does it, that's kind of what the challenge was today. Well, I mean, I'm not, like I said, we don't know for sure yet. I don't know if I'm gonna lose an egg or two on the trip home, but hopefully not. And hopefully we make it all in one piece. But this bag is heavy. I'll tell you guys that much. Let's see if we can make it home. I don't know what's the deal with this guy. Looks like an abandoned car or what? Traveling hills to get home, guys. Once you get moving, you don't really feel the weight, but it is over 20 pounds on my back, I will say that. So I don't know how far I would like to go with it, but the couple miles I live from that grocery store, it's doable. I mean, if it completes this haul, which I mean, I'll be able to get most of the stuff home, then that's pretty sweet. But if my eggs get all cracked up, then probably will not be doing this again. And I will rate it as the grocery Grom is not a good grocery getter. Oh, It's one of those invisible bumps on the road. We're almost home. We're a couple blocks from home. So I'm curious to see what makes it home all in one piece. So far, I will say I don't feel my back wet. So I think that's good. I was also worried that the milk might get like a hole punctured into it. But so far, so good. So we're pulling up home. Time to see what survived. All right, we made it home. Let's see what made it home. The chips, we'll put those right there. Milk. Milk looks good. The bread, it's good to see the bread made it. But most importantly was the eggs. We'll put that there. The bananas. The eggs look good. The eggs made it, guys. Let me put these over here. Not a single crack. That's awesome. I think with that being said, that answers the title of this video. That's awesome. Everything made it. Who knew? Little Grom could do it. So that's going to be it for today's video, guys. The Grom made it. It's a successful trip to the grocery store. Would I do it again? Probably. But yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.